Good morning. We're down at Corp, also known as Pershing Bonita, also known as SCP, in the heart of Naples, Southwest Florida. So this morning we're pouring our first section of slab. We've actually been out here in a general contracting aspect for a few months, doing demolition, clearing the site, and we started our concrete portion of the job just before the holidays. So let's take a walk, see how the guys are doing. Today we're pouring 550 yards. We started at 2 a.m. with concrete. That's 1 o'clock on the job site. And they're a little bit more than halfway right now. So you might notice that we don't have any plastic laying on the ground. And that's because we're using fiber mesh in this slab to replace the wire. It works out much better with the laser screed, which you see working down here. And also it creates a better product. We never have issues with cracking or anything like that with the fiber. The guys right now are making the next strip. We got guys prepared to start laying out plastic in here as soon as the screed is out of the way. So again, we bug sprayed it yesterday afternoon. We're laying the plastic as we go, laying the plastic and taping it. And as we come through here, you can see that the finishers have already begun finishing operations on the far end of the slab. So we're about 3 hours into the pour. And as they lay out a approximately 15-foot wide strip, the laser screed will come through and provide an excellent finish. So it's really hard to beat the screed for level floors, and it's the best bet. We're using a steel form for our bulkhead at this end. That creates a really nice crisp finish. And we've utilized a 62-meter boom pump this morning, which was able to reach everything with some difficulty at the start of the pour. So, as you can see, everything's going really well. And we'll take a walk over here, get a closer look at the finish machines, and continue on. All right, well, over on this end of the slab, we've already got finish machines in place, starting our operations. We're 3 hours into the pour, so we're plotting and scheming. We hope to be poured out before 9, and if that all works out, finished and leaving here at 3 o'clock today. These big riders really do a great job leveling it out. Obviously, the laser screed puts it down as flat as it can be put down, and the guys are carefully watching to make sure that it's tightened up enough to support the weight of the machines. So it's just the very beginning of it. Right now they're using float pans. They'll be changing to blades as it starts to set up. And I say changing to blades, but technically they'll just bring another machine that has the blades on it and set it up here. Before we're done, there'll be 5, maybe 6 of these machines out here. And everything so far is going really good. The temperature is real nice right now for Southwest Florida. And the weather's great, and we can't really complain about anything. Down at the other end of the slab here, we got Bob Johnston, the owner. He's taking a look here. Nice, it's very early for those guys to get out, but he's got a vested interest in it, so he's taking a close look. At 3 hours into the pour, we are just over 300 yards on the ground. So we're doing real well, keeping up with the plan. Our order was for 100 yards per hour, and things are going good. So back down here, the guys are pulling the plastic out. This is the vapor barrier on this job. We work closely with our inspectors, and like I said earlier, we did bug spray this last night. Now, as the screed's able to get a pass, the guys take care of rubbing down any tracks to keep the bottom of it flat. That helps immensely with cracking. And we lay out our visqueen, tape all the seams, and that's it. So part of this video is for the inspector. we did promise them to send pictures and video of the operation. And as they get down to that end, of course, the screed, he'll get his last sweep at the end. He'll come back down here to start over. As they bring in the boom pump here, the guy with the vibrator there is doing the thickened edges. Make sure there's no honeycombing on the edges of the slab or anything like that. One truck's empty, the next truck's in. So every place that we have a penetration, like the electrical floor boxes, we've got our plumbing and stuff. They got to seal that with tape around the edges. That's part of the deal with the vapor barrier. Everything in here that's stubbed up for plumbing and electrical has been cut right now, 1/4 inch below finished floor. That'll give us a nice clean surface to do our tilt walls on. And then after that, when the walls are up, they'll be able to find them easily. We leave a piece of weed eater string in there, and they just tap it with a hammer a few times, and it'll expose their pipe for them right there. Now, if we get our hose man back over here, we'll continue this process. So it's really like 3 or 4 processes that are all occurring at the same time. In between the guys laying out the mud, the screeding it, another crew that's laying out the plastic, taking care of the vapor barrier, and of course guys back on this end of the slab with their finish operations. So they're just about to bring out a 3rd machine and get on there. They'll be coming around down the end here. And just like we poured, they'll be doing strips north to south so that they stay up with the concrete as it sets. That way they're able to maintain enough rigidity to float the machines, but yet work it as they come down. Well, we're still down here at Pool Corp, about 11 hours into it since we started pouring this morning. As you can see, the finishers, they're on the last 1/3 of the slab. About 2 more hours, we think they'll be in good shape. They're putting the finishing touches up to this grid line right here, and then back behind of them, we've got the guys running saw cuts. So 3-man crew here popping lines. It's real windy today. We want to keep them nice and straight. And once we get caught up with the lines, we'll get our second saw running. This is come out really well. Got no complaints. Yardage wise, did real good. And soon we'll be putting tilt wall panels on top of here.